My hands have really been bothering me lately, and so I wanted a hair dryer that's more lightweight and easy to hold. I picked this one up a couple of weeks ago and I'm liking it a lot. It has two magnetic attachments, a nozzle for controlled focused airflow when you need to straighten your hair, and a diffuser for those of us with curly hair. The attachments pop on and off very easily but hold snug, so no worries about them falling off during use. I love the digital display on the back so you can see exactly which of the three wind speeds you're on and which of the three heat settings you're on, which ranges from 140 degrees to 200 degrees. My absolute favorite thing about this blow dryer is that in addition to the three heat settings, it also has a cold setting, which means you're not having to hold down a button for your cold shot. You just set it to cold and you have cold air as long as you need it. I absolutely love that feature. There's also an auto feature that cycles through the different air temperatures so that you're not keeping your hair on one heat for too long. In my opinion, it's not as loud as my current hair dryer and it's very lightweight and compact, so it's going to be very easy to travel with. If you're needing a lighter hair dryer, I can tell you this has really helped me with my hand issues. Plus, it's got that cold shot button. It's definitely worth checking out.